So the third thing that's different between the two genders is thinking and decision making. And, here's a bit of biology for you. Fundamentally, the two gender brains actually are different and work differently. So, for instance, a bit of trivia for you. Male brain on average is 10% larger than the female brain. But that's actually not what's important. What is actually important is the fact that the female brain has considerably more grey matter, something like 30 to 40% more. Now, grey matter is basically all about connectivity between the two sides of your brain, the two hemispheres. And what it actually means then is the brain is actually, or the different centres in the brain, in the female brain, actually talk to each other and communicate with each other. It's what we very much call web thinking. And it means you have a number of dots and you actually join them all up. They're all interlinked and you get a big picture when you actually look at a problem. With the male brain, it works quite differently. Because you don't have the same connectivity between the two sides of the brain, you actually get a situation where they tend to, as males, work on one problem and keep it simple and make a solution and a decision and then move on to the next point. The reason I explain that and talk about that is because what it means as marketers is how our target audience use information is fundamentally different. So females, we love information and we'll take on layer after layer of information and review it to build up that big picture, to join up all the dots. With males, they do the opposite. They actually throw out the information they don't need. Now, if you actually think about that, what it means from a brand communications point of view is she has a thirst for knowledge about your brand and she actually really is interested in reading what you have to say. Now, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean you can just talk at length in long copy, but it means that she wants the information, and if you're clever about how you layer it and get that to her, then there's some real opportunities there to actually start to connect with it.